with you a very delicious Yucatan pickled onion with habanero. It comes out delicious, amazing, and it's a very traditional salsa. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. And amazing Yucatan salsa, these are the ingredients. I have Himalaya salt, black Mexican oregano, 2 garlic cloves, habanero chili pads, lemon, onion. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing pickled onion with habanero. This salsa comes out delicious every time. So let's get started. Of course, I want to start here with my lemons. You could use lemons, you could use lime, you decide whatever you have handy at home. And I'm going to use my little gadget. This little gadget I found at Walmart. And to tell you the truth, I really love it because I could really take all the juice out of the lemon without leaving anything behind. Let me show you. This is what takes a little longer, getting all the amazing juice from these small little lemons. Of course, they're from my garden, but let me show you how easy it is to obtain and get all that delicious juice. Look at this. Well, here I'm going to stay getting the juice out of all these lemons, and then let me show you. After I am done, I am going to reserve it, and I have about 1.5 cups of juice of lemon. I'm going to put it aside, and I am going to continue slicing thinly my onion. Look at this. You really want to make sure that you slice the onion thinly so that it really absorbs the flavor of the habanero and the flavor of the lemons. Look at this. This salsa is a very traditional salsa from Yucatan. They make it all the time. When you go to a Yucatan family, they always have this salsa there all the time. It's like having hot sauce in your refrigerator. That, you know, I love spicy food and I always have hot salsa here at home. But this pickled onion with habanero is just perfect. The longer it is in the refrigerator, the more tasty it is. Well, here I'm just going to start pulling apart all the onion, making sure that I really pull it apart very good. And this part where it really takes a longer time, my eyes are nice and watery because this onion, oh, it is releasing a lot of flavor. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and just put it aside so I could continue with the rest of the ingredients. Of course, I'm going to continue with my 2 garlic cloves that I'm going to smash. And I'm using 2 large garlic cloves. The garlic cloves are going to give it an amazing flavor and is really going to infuse into the lemon juice. Look at this. This pickled onion really goes with everything. You could add it into tacos, you could add it into sopes, to many different kind of tacos, not only crispy but soft tacos. This pickled onion with habanero goes with everything. When you start working with your habanero chilies, make sure that you put gloves on because the habaneros are nice and spicy and you don't want to have your hands burning all day because you didn't wear gloves. What I'm doing here is removing the seeds and removing the vein. That is very important, because if you leave the vein or the seeds behind, this is going to be super hot and you won't be able to enjoy this amazing salsa. Look at this. I'm going to go ahead, slice it thinly, and then cube it in very small little pieces. And let me show you. Look at this. That's exactly how you want all the habanero chili to be picked, you know, cut in very, very small little pieces. The smaller they are, the better, because they are really going to incorporate into the onion and they're going to absorb all the lemon into it. And this salsa really comes out delicious. Well, here I'm going to put it a little aside, and then I'm ready to add it into the onion. This pickled onion, it will last in your refrigerator for about 2 weeks. The longer it is in there, the more delicious it becomes. And here I'm putting through a sifter all the juice of the lemon, because I don't want the pulp or the seeds to go into this amazing pickled onion. This is exactly what you don't want. And if you have any lemon behind, put it in there. You don't want to throw anything away. And now I am ready to start adding the spices to this. Of course, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the black pepper. I'm going to add salt to taste. And I'm going to add the Mexican oregano. Make sure that you add the Mexican oregano to your palms of your hands and then rub them together, and making sure that the Mexican oregano is really almost powder when it comes into contact with the rest of the ingredients. Well, here, let me show you. You could really see the Mexican oregano really powdery. You could see the onion. You could see the chili, the black pepper, the salt, and now we are going to incorporate it completely, making sure that we get all the juice from the bottom of this plate and covering all the onion perfectly. You want to really mix it really good so all the onion is completely covered with the lemon juice. My kitchen smells amazing, and to tell you the truth, I really can't wait to enjoy it. And the best way to enjoy this pickled onion with habanero, it's making crispy and delicious potato and cheese tacos. And that's how I am going to really enjoy this pickled onion. Look at this. I'm going to cover my tacos and I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy. So I'll see you in just a little bit. With habanero chili pie. Of course, from my beautiful, of course, I am going to enjoy this amazing salsa with these potato and cheese tacos. And that recipe, you already have it on my channel. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. This pickled onion and the habanero chili just came out perfection. It's really delicious and not too spicy, but yet everything you make at home with lots of love comes out delicious. Excuse me. I hope, my friends, you give it a chance and you make this amazing salsa. Pickled onion with habanero chili pots. It came out amazing. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing crispy tacos filled with potato and cheese and topping it off with this amazing pickled onion and chile habanero. See you on my next amazing recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.